Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create distance from river and distance from road map. Why would you need to create this type of map? For example, I want to create flood risk analysis map of this area. Do you get it? And as part of it, you need distance from road and distance from river map. This is because if you are staying closer to a river, you are likely to be affected by flooding as compared to someone who is staying away from a river. In the same way, if you are staying closer to a road, you are likely to be affected by flooding as compared to someone who is staying away from a road. That is why you need this type of map. So we are starting with the river. The first thing we have to do is that we need to project the river. If you check the coordinate system of the river, it is in geographic coordinate system, WGS 1984. So assuming if you've already projected yours or yours is already in projected coordinate system, then you can wait for me. You don't have to follow this. So you go to the search, then you write project, then you search for it. You see project data management. You select it. Then you select the river. You specify where you want it to be saved. Distance from river and road. Do you get it? Then you come here, then you write stream_project. Then you save it. Then you come and choose the projected coordinate system. Then you click OK. It is done, but it didn't come here. So let me go to the catalog, go to the folder and drag it. This is it. So we are going to work with this. Now, how do we create the distance from river, distance from road, or distance from river? Now, let us go to the Arc toolbox. This is it. If it's not there, go to geoprocessing. It is there. Then you go to spatial analysis 2. This is it. Spatial analysis 2. You see distance. Have you seen it? You select that one. Then you see Euclidean distance. Then you select that one. In the first input layer, you select the stream project. Then after you select the stream project, then you specify where you want it to be saved. This is the folder I want it to be saved. Then I write distance from river. Do you get it? D_river. So when you are done, then the next thing that you have to do is that you go to the environment. At the processing extent, you choose the boundary of your district. If it is not there, you have to go back and redrag it. Do you get it? This is the boundary, Tafo district. Then you go to the raster analysis. At the mask, you select the boundary again. Then you click OK. Have you seen that? When you are done, then you click OK again. This is our distance to river that we've just created. Have you seen that? So you can right click it, then you go to properties, then you go to symbology, then let us maintain the color, then you reduce the classes to 5, you right click, then you go to format labels, then reduce it to 1, number of significant figures. So this is it. This is the distance to river. Let us do the distance to road. And check this. This is the road of the district. Do you get it? This one is having even the streets. Do you get it? The main roads are there, but the streets are also parts. Do you get it? So that is it. I downloaded this from a website, BBbike. Yes, so if you want to know how to download roads from BBbike, you can watch this particular video. It will take you through how you can download a road, buildings, and other relevant OpenStreet data from BBbike. Yes, so these are the roads. Let us check if the road is projected. So you right click, you go to properties, source, so you have to project it. So you go here, project is there, you select road underscore project, you select this, then you choose this. This particular one is favorable to Ghana, where I stay. Do you get it? So you need to search for your location, your country, which coordinate system, projected coordinate system is favorable to it. Then you select it. Okay, it is done, but it didn't come here, so I have to go to the catalog, then choose the road project. Have you seen that? So this is it. Let me undo and bring the, yes, so this is the projected road. So now let us go to the arc toolbox, this spatial analysis to distance, Euclidean distance, road project. I'll select this and come to distance to road. Have you seen that? Then we come to the environment, processing extent, same as Stafford district, raster analysis, Stafford district. Okay. So this is the distance to road map of the Tafo municipality. So you can right click on it, go to properties, once again Symbology, reduce the number of classes to 5, format labels. Okay, have you seen that? Yes, so that is it. And if yeah, so that is it. You can also use the Ghana shapefile road if the roads are like significantly significant. You can actually use that one. You get it? So that is it. Distance to road, and this one is distance to river. Yes. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you want to design the map, you see, you just switch to the layout view, add your scale, add your legend, add your north arrow. If you want to design a map after you are done, in case you don't know, you can watch these particular videos. That is the links over there. They will take you through how you can design a map very well at the layout view. So thank you very much once again. If today is your first time being here, kindly help me with a subscription. Check my subscription, very small, help me to grow. You can also like the video, share it, and comment so that this video can also go far. Help a brother, be part of my story. Yes, so once again, I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.